So you can see that I got some new toys. So I went to the local club, racing club that's about 2 miles down the road today, and I got some tires to rip on Wednesday. Tonight was race night. I got a quick clip I'll probably add to this. But these are the slicks he recommended. They were totally cool with me bringing in my goofy ass little car. The track's actually smaller. They said the biggest you want to go is 110, so we should have a lot of fun on there. The guys are real nice there. It's a great facility. I'll get some more footage when I go Wednesday. But this video is about the slicks I bought. They recommended me going with 2 sets of fronts, 110 style, so that they're not too wide, because these are bigger than obviously my 114. But the clearance looked good. He even checked. He opened up the package, make sure there was clearance in there. They're real nice guys. Even gave me some free stuff, some glue and whatnot. Or I don't know if they were free, but the price was okay. Seemed like a good group of guys. But anyways, it looks like they're RAWspeed slicks because it's pretty tight clay, they said there. I'll put a link to the location too in the description. But I'm just going to glue these together. First time I've actually used real glue and not super glue. So again, I'm new to all this, so this is pretty cool. Let me get set up and we'll get these tires together. We got the JConcepts B64 front tires, set of 4. Like I said, he told me to go with 2 sets of fronts because he's worried that the 110 slicks will be too wide on the back. He didn't want me doing any road. And track name is MakinTraxx. It's over in upstate New York, off of Route 15. I think it's Honeoye Falls number 6 road. I think the address is 999 or 999. Either way, I'll put a link in the description. But he said I got about 5 seconds with that. Oop, battery's done. Ooh, that's squishy. I never felt a tire like this. I'm used to the knobby tires. Before I glue them, let's put them all on the rims and see what they look like. I think it's going to look sweet. I don't think it matters what way you got them, but famous last words, right? Feels good. I might use these for speed runs too. Looks like comes with a sticker. Huh. Usage tracker. Jason said something about compound. My buddy, he races there. They give you a little marker to keep track of how many times you run them. It's kind of neat. We definitely got to put that on the buggy. Or put it on the wing, maybe. Get rid of that. This wing's almost shot. I'll save these. Anyways. The tires themselves were JConcepts. I don't know if I mentioned that. B6 front wheels, yellow 4-piece, part number 3381Y, and the tires themselves are RAWspeed 1/10 4-wheel drive buggy fronts with inserts. Gumball compound pink, part number 100201GB. That's that. Let's see what they look like on the buggy. He said the holes are made for the bigger shafts, but with the 12mm rears, should be okay. Oh, that looks cool. Good timing. Look at that rim starting to go. Might end up having to go with the LC racing in the end if all they have are these 110s and it just seems floppy. But we'll find out, right? Can't do nothing but try. We got one more upgrade to do on this one tonight. It'll be another video. I got these gray shocks. They're the standard or upgraded WLs, but it's pretty much the same as these. And I want to swap the purple off of the gray, and then I'll save the grays for my 112 build. And I think these will look cooler with the gray centers instead of the silver. Plus it's new. And I gotta check the oil on all these anyway, so I might as well do it all now for Wednesday. charged lipo. Not sure it's a good lipo. They all look the same. But I know I got a couple that are eh. I haven't glued them yet, so they might balloon a little. Oh, they balloon for sure. Very cool. Clearance is good. Clearance. Yep. Not bad, not bad. Looks more like a truggy. Not bad, not bad. I'll glue them off screen. But I dig them. We got wheels. Like I said, I'll throw the video either before or after. You can see the track set up. It's pretty freaking sweet. This thing's going to look freaking awesome on the track. All right. That's all she wrote on this one. Short and sweet. Like and subscribe. Thanks.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Ryan Fowler in first place with a 25 lap 8:12.1 pace, followed by Nick Julian.